What's up, boys? It's been a while, so if you're wondering where I've been, I've just been working on this website and I've been busy with school, right? I know that's a lame excuse, but I've been busy, okay? But I'm getting back. And so if you're wondering where I was, you probably don't care where I went, but I'm back, okay? That's all that matters. I'm back, baby. And so this video is going to be just about updates about the website and yeah, that's what it's going to be mainly about. We have done a huge ton of progress. We are searching, we are ranking in search as of at the moment. If we go ahead and search mastery study flashcard generator, it shows up right there. Okay, it shows up right there. And now if you might be thinking like this might be personalized data, that's why it's showing up. Let's go to incognito, baby. All right. Look, we're searching the same thing. Let's search the same thing. Boom. It appears second, but no, that's not that bad. Now, I am still trying to work on why the icon is not showing. Like, that's a bit of a problem, but that should be easily fixed. But hey, I'm just gonna run you guys through what I've changed and what are the things that I've added. So what I've been working on is an onboarding system. Basically, I've noticed that people try out like the demo flashcards, but they don't stick. They don't like stick throughout the app. They don't know the full potential of it yet, and I feel like they don't know that there's actually a smart spaced repetition system. Okay, a spaced repetition system. I mean, and so I made it so that the onboarding specifically, goes through the smart space repetition. And so, yeah. So, we're going to go like, I'll show you like one flow out of all of it for this video. This is what we're going to tackle in this video. This is the first flow. There are multiple other flows, but yeah. So, we're going to go do it. So, right now, you can either go ahead and check a preview deck. You can preview a public deck, or you can go ahead and check or you could go ahead and try it out for yourself. And so right now, so let's say for example, so I've also made it so that you can like generate cards by topic now. So let's say I don't know, the French Revolution. Boom. And now we wait. And now as that's loading, I'm gonna talk about. Okay, see, I wasn't even able to finish. Boom, there are 25 flashcards now. And so what we do is we go ahead and click start studying. Oh yeah. And so here, you are down, then redirected to here. Boom, like that. Boom. You click, yeah, the user does their thing. And then once they're, once they're once they're fulfilled, I guess, hopefully they'll go ahead and see this banner right here and then be inclined to press keep progress. Now this is one of the ways that I can acquire users. So if they want to save this deck, then they're gonna have to sign up. After that's done, it then says deck saved successfully. And now here's where the fun part begins. This is where I put a crap ton of effort in, okay? So after you click OK, it then prompts you to try out the smart review, okay? So here it is. It'll glow so that it's prominent, and then it'll say, let's add this deck for smart review, something like that. And so now, they have no other choice but to click it, okay? Now this might be bad UX, or aka user experience, but I don't think it's that bad, like it's the main point of this app anyways, to utilize spaced repetition so that you can learn long term, okay? So yeah, so once you click this, it'll switch it to spaced repetition, and the deck will now be added into the spaced repetition algorithm. And now, instead of just like letting the user figure it all out, I decided to add like, I don't know what you call this, like tips I guess, or like widgets, or like tutorial basically. Yeah. So yeah, this study mode uses spacer repetition. It show you a card right before you're about to forget them. Now these are just the button meanings. It's. I hope it's intuitive. If it's not, then tell me in the comments down below. But yeah, and so yeah, and so as a default, I made it so that every single day there are 8 new cards. Okay, and so right now you'll see that there are 8 new cards of this deck, and so boom. And so yeah, let's just go through this one by one. And we also have like a really cool banner right here. So boom, boom. Let's just click again for all of these, just for demonstration's sake. So 6, 7, 8. We're at the last one. Boom. Now it says congratulations. Okay, you've completed your first smart review session. Now you have 2 options. You can go ahead and go to the dashboard, or continue studying. Now I'ma choose continue studying for now. Boom. Like that. Nothing happens. And so now we go to the dashboard. We can go ahead and click this little arrow to the left thing at the top left. And boom. We are now in the dashboard. I made it so that you can see how long the next card will be due. You will see when the next card will be shown. Right? And so boom. And we also added like a tooltip for the dashboard, just due for review, cards ready to study, yeah, something like that. And yeah, you can X this so that you don't see it ever again. And boom, that's basically it. That's all I have to say. So yeah, roast me in the comments if you guys think that there's still some things to be improved. But yeah, that's gonna be it. These are just the progress that we made. Oh, by the way, I did add like a pricing, because why? Let me explain. Because the server costs are getting quite expensive now, and I'm a brokey, and so like I'm this website is just not gonna run if we're without funding. And hey, I want to help people. I want to help people, but in a realistic way. Okay, and so yeah, there is a pricing now, but it's still free. You just gotta manage your cards. So if you're planning on using this, don't worry, it won't charge you right away. Okay, yeah, you'll probably be still good to go. This is only for like really dedicated students. All right, and so yeah. But anyways, that's gonna be it for me. This has been your boy, Affy T, signing out.